All right, in this one we're looking at this function. Write down the range. So I want to know what's going to happen to my y values. Well, first of all, let's think about our transformations. So this graph is going to take any point x, y, and I'm going to multiply the y values by 3, and then I'm going to add 1. And then all of my x values, I'm going to take them and divide them by -2. So what we're going to have is my graph is going to be reflected over the y-axis. My y values are multiplied by 3 and shifted up 1. So my y values are still going to be positive, but in fact they're going to be moved up 1. So no matter what this exponent is, I'm going to have a positive value. The smallest it will get is 0, and then it's going to be moved up 1. So my range, y is an element of real numbers such that y is greater than 1. All right, my y-intercept happens when x is 0. 3e to the 0 plus 1. That's going to be 3 times 1 plus 1, which is 4. Everything's been moved up 1. My y-intercept is normally 0, 1, and we've taken it, moved it up 1, stretched it by 3. So sorry, first we stretch by 3. So my 1 gets stretched by 3, turns into 3, and then moved up 1 makes it 4. Is it growth or decay? Well, we've said that it is reflecting over the y-axis. That means my shape is now like this. So this is decay. The other way that I could justify decay, so one way is with transformations, my reflection over y. But the other thing is that e to the -2x is the same as 3 times e to the -2 to the x power plus 1. That's the same as 3 times 1 over e squared to the x power. So now I've got a fraction raised to the x power. That's also decay. And my plus 1 is still there. So either way, I've got decay happening.